Now let's see our heart, human heart. This is our human heart. This is the left side. This is left side, and this is right side of the heart. That means this is the heart of a person in front of us. That means on our right side there is the left side, on our left side there is the right side. And there are four chambers like that. These upper chambers are called as atriums, and lower chambers are called as ventricles. Upper chambers are atriums, lower chambers are ventricles. This is left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. So there are two blood vessels which are opened to this right atrium. Then this is called superior vena cava. This is superior vena cava. Then this is called inferior vena cava. Then blood filled into this chamber is moving through this special valve. We call that as tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. And through the tricuspid valve, blood is moving into the right ventricle from the right atrium. Then there is a special valve again. We call that as the semilunar valve. Through this semilunar valve, blood is moving to the lungs. We call this vessel as pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. From the pulmonary artery, blood is moving to the lungs to be oxygenated. That oxygenated blood is coming from pulmonary veins. There are 4 pulmonary veins which are open to our left atrium. That blood is moving to the left ventricle through this bicuspid valve. There is another term. This is called as mitral valve. Then this blood is moving to our whole body. That special tube is called the aorta. This is the aorta. And there are 3 openings here to head and to our hands. Then these are the major parts of our heart. Let's see first. There are 4 chambers. Upper ones are called atria, lower ones are called ventricles. Then this is left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Then tricuspid valve. Both of these are called as semilunar valves. Then this is pulmonary artery. There are 2 separations. Right pulmonary artery and left pulmonary artery. They are going to the lungs. From the lungs, there are 4 pulmonary veins which are coming to our left atrium. Then here you can see bicuspid valve. There is another term, mitral valve. And this is the aorta. These are the major parts of our art. Okay. Let's see then.